Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today in this video, guys, we will show you the fuse for the controls for the Airmatic suspension on the Mercedes E-Class. The one that raises it up, down, and you can adjust the comfort level as well inside. If they don't work, we'll show you which fuse to check, guys. We have more than 200 videos on this model, so please subscribe, guys, and let's grow the channel together. So what you need to do, guys, you need to go to the driver door now, and we need to use a plastic tool, you see, like prying tool. And let me show you here now quick. Okay, the key is on. Okay, the key is on right there, and those things do not work at all. You can see there is no lights even when you start the car. So if you open this one right here, okay, you need to turn the key off, pull it out, because otherwise you might cause quite a bit of problems. Okay, and you need to find fuse number 37. So 37 is this one here. Some use 5, some use 15 amp fuse depending on the models. I think check your manual always. Okay, and let's check it out quick. Alright, this one is burnt, as you can see, barely burnt, but it is. So we're going to replace it with a new one. Okay, and now if I turn the key on, okay, the lights work again. You can see the control work again. So that's it, guys. You can see that that fixed that problem for the controls. If you have, there is another fuse for the actual pump. So make sure, guys, you check it out in our playlist. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.